Choosing the right finish for kitchen cabinets Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners can rely on is crucial for maintaining both style and durability in a high-traffic area. With the hustle and bustle of daily life, especially in busy households, your kitchen cabinets endure a lot of wear and tear. As the heart of the home, your kitchen needs to withstand not just everyday use, but also the occasional spill, knock, and scrape. In this article, we'll explore the best cabinet finishes that cater to both aesthetics and resilience, ensuring your kitchen remains a welcoming and functional space for years to come. Whether you're drawn to the sleek look of high-gloss finishes or prefer the timeless appeal of natural wood, we'll guide you through the pros and cons of each option available in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. We'll also discuss how factors like humidity and temperature can affect your choice and why some finishes might fare better than others in our local climate. Renovating your kitchen is a significant investment, and choosing the right cabinet finish is a key step in creating a space that meets your needs and reflects your style. Stay with us as we uncover the best options for your high-traffic kitchen. Understanding the needs of high-traffic kitchens in Kitchener-Waterloo. When it comes to choosing the best cabinet finish for high-traffic kitchens in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, durability and ease of maintenance are paramount. Homeowners in this region often face a dynamic lifestyle, with kitchens serving as the heart of bustling family life and social gatherings. Therefore, selecting a cabinet finish that withstands the rigors of daily use while maintaining its aesthetic appeal is essential. Kitchener-Waterloo's seasonal variations, with humid summers and cold winters, can also impact your choice. Wood cabinets, for example, may expand and contract with temperature fluctuations, so a resilient finish that offers protection against moisture and temperature changes is crucial. In addition, kitchens are frequently subjected to spills, splatters, and stains, making it necessary to choose a finish that not only protects the cabinets, but also allows for easy cleaning. Top durable cabinet finishes for busy Kitchener-Waterloo homes. For Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners with bustling kitchens, choosing the right cabinet finish is crucial to ensure longevity and ease of maintenance. High-traffic kitchens require finishes that can withstand frequent use, spills, and the occasional bump or scratch. The climate in Kitchener-Waterloo, with its humid summers and cold winters, also plays a role in how certain finishes perform over time. The key is to find a balance between durability, aesthetics, and practicality. A popular choice among homeowners is a laminate finish, known for its robustness and resistance to stains and scratches. Laminate is particularly advantageous in busy kitchens because it's easy to clean and offers a wide array of color and texture options, allowing homeowners to achieve the desired look without compromising on durability. Another excellent option is a painted finish with a high-quality top coat. While painted finishes allow for a seamless, modern appearance, it's essential to use a durable top coat to protect against chips and wear, especially in high-traffic areas. The Kitchen and Bath Reno guys often recommend a semi-gloss or satin finish for those looking to strike a balance between style and resilience. These finishes are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical, as they provide a surface that's easy to wipe down. They also do a better job of hiding fingerprints and minor scratches compared to high-gloss finishes. However, it's important to note that while semi-gloss is more reflective and can brighten up a space, satin finishes offer a smoother look and feel. Comparing lacquer versus laminate for Kitchener-Waterloo kitchens. When selecting the best finish for kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, homeowners often weigh the pros and cons of lacquer and laminate. Both finishes offer unique benefits, but their suitability can vary depending on your specific needs and kitchen environment. In high-traffic kitchens, durability, ease of maintenance, and aesthetic appeal are crucial considerations. Lacquer provides a sleek, glossy finish that is highly durable and resistant to moisture and heat, making it ideal for bustling kitchens. However, it can be prone to chipping and may require professional repair if damaged. On the other hand, laminate is known for its exceptional durability and resistance to scratches and stains, which makes it a popular choice for families in Cambridge and the surrounding areas. Laminate finishes are also available in a wide variety of colors and textures, allowing homeowners to achieve a high-end look at a more affordable price point. While laminate is generally easier to clean and maintain than lacquer, it may not offer the same luxurious sheen, which could be a consideration if you're aiming for a modern or upscale kitchen aesthetic. Why semi-gloss finishes are ideal for Kitchener-Waterloo families. When considering kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, choosing a semi-gloss finish can be a game changer, particularly in high-traffic kitchens. Semi-gloss finishes strike an excellent balance between aesthetics and practicality, making them an ideal choice for families in this bustling region. This type of finish offers a subtle sheen that enhances the beauty of your cabinets while providing a durable surface that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. In a family-centric kitchen, where spills, splatters, and fingerprints are commonplace, the easy-to-clean nature of semi-gloss finishes ensures that your cabinets remain looking fresh and vibrant. One of the significant advantages of semi-gloss finishes is their resilience against moisture and stains, a feature particularly useful in the humid climate of Kitchener-Waterloo. The semi-gloss coating forms a protective barrier, preventing water and other liquids from seeping into the wood. This is crucial in maintaining the integrity and longevity of your kitchen cabinets. Furthermore, semi-gloss finishes reflect more light than matte finishes, which can make your kitchen appear brighter and more spacious, a desirable effect in homes where natural light might be limited, especially during the long Canadian winters. Local experts' recommendations on cabinet finishes in Kitchener-Waterloo. When it comes to selecting the perfect finish for kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, local experts often recommend considering both durability and style to withstand the demands of a high-traffic kitchen. The region's unique blend of historical charm and modern living requires finishes that can endure frequent use while maintaining aesthetic appeal. High-gloss finishes are a popular choice among Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners for their easy-to-clean surfaces and contemporary look. However, they may show fingerprints and smudges more easily. For those who prefer a more traditional or rustic feel, matte finishes offer a softer appearance and are excellent at concealing fingerprints and minor scratches. They provide a warm and inviting look that complements the diverse architectural styles found throughout the area. Additionally, semi-gloss finishes strike a balance between durability and subtle shine, making them a versatile option that can blend seamlessly into both modern and classic kitchen designs. Frequently asked questions. Q. What cabinet finish is most durable for a high-traffic kitchen? A. For high-traffic kitchens in Kitchener-Waterloo, a semi-gloss or high-gloss finish is often recommended. These finishes are not only durable but also easier to clean, making them ideal for busy households. They resist moisture and stains better than matte finishes, ensuring your cabinets maintain their appearance over time despite frequent use. Additionally, their reflective properties can help brighten up the space. Q. Are there specific finishes that are more resistant to humidity? A. Yes, polyurethane or catalyzed lacquer finishes are highly resistant to humidity, which is particularly beneficial in the variable climate of Kitchener-Waterloo. These finishes create a tough barrier against moisture, helping prevent warping and swelling. This makes them perfect for kitchens that experience frequent cooking and dishwashing, ensuring your cabinets remain in excellent condition regardless of the humidity levels. Q. How does the local climate affect the choice of cabinet finish? A. The climate in Kitchener-Waterloo, with its seasonal humidity and temperature fluctuations, can impact cabinet materials and finishes. Opting for a durable finish like a water-based polyurethane can protect your cabinets from these environmental factors. It provides a durable seal that prevents moisture penetration, reducing the risk of warping or peeling, and ensures that the cabinets retain their aesthetic appeal year-round. Choosing the right cabinet finish for a high-traffic kitchen is vital for both aesthetics and durability. Trust the experts at Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo to guide you through the process. Whether you're ready to transform your space or just need some advice, we're here to help. Visit our Kitchen Cabinets Kitchener page for inspiration, or check out Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys on Google for reviews. Call us today at 226-894-234, or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to book your free estimate or request a quote.